This is good news and bad news for the Mangione team. First, the bad news. We told you in an earlier video that the judge should suppress the evidence of the backpack from the search at the McDonald's. She decided not only against what we thought would happen, but also the Mangione team. So there's three reasons she argued this. First, if you remember, you saw the video, we saw the video, Mangione's at the McDonald's. He's surrounded by a number of police officers, and the backpack that he's holding is way away from him. The police and the prosecutor said, we needed to search that for safety reasons. Guess what? Judge rules in favor of the U.S. attorney here. They search the backpack for safety reasons. They see some things in there that shouldn't be in a normal backpack and things that may suggest elements of a crime. Do they go get a search warrant? No, they don't. They secure the bag, they take it back to the station, and they search it again. The police say that we're searching it for inventory reasons. That's the administrative reason why we did it. That occurred without a warrant. Judge says it's valid. They don't need a search warrant. Comes to the third argument, which is even if the other things were flawed, it is inevitable discovery. They're going to find it anyway. So even if what they did before was flawed, they were going to get a search warrant later anyway. It's okay. It's inevitable. So it's coming in. Motion overruled. But there's a second order that got issued today, and this is the one that is good news for the Mangione team. Why is the defense filing this suppression motion? Mangione, again, is facing the death penalty in federal court. The second decision issued by the judge says, I'm dismissing 2 of the counts, and that means no death penalty. She didn't throw them out because they're not violent offenses. She did it for a more technical reason. The court said that if the facts are true, this was a planned, targeted, and cold-blooded offense. Under Supreme Court precedent, she has to examine this from a different perspective. She has to use a technical rule called the categorical approach. Specifically, is the stalking statute in every possible case going to involve violent force? And the answer there is no. The law could be violated without violence. And if the law can be violated without violence, then it doesn't support the death penalty. Now, they can still move forward with the stalking crime, and it can lead to life in prison, but it doesn't come with a death penalty anymore. Mangione and his defense team lost the battle, but they won the war on the death penalty. Getting death penalty off the table is a big win for them.